chalk, dark green, paper white color combination has been used to introduce the retro design ahead of summer. Keeping with previous generations of the pump-assisted model, color blocking is used mostly in white hues on the leather, suede, and plastic upper. The minimalist canvas lets the smallest contrast take center stage, allowing orange and green details to stand out. The unusual hexalite writing on the spine and the lateral heel, respectively, and the embroidered Reebok The Pump are what make the upcoming drop unique. The font selection was influenced by Irish culture, according to the brand's official product description, although no further information is given. The wording, however, goes well with the rest of the stylish design of a classic basketball sneaker. See below for close-ups of the Pump Omni Zone II with the dark green accent. For $160, pairs will go on sale on Reebok.com on Friday, June 6.